Hey guys, I'll show you how to edit your jewelry model from Rhinoceros 3D to Zbrush. But before jumping in, I would like to emphasize two things. First, it's not really transferring our model directly from the two software, like some type of bridging systems. We are simply exporting our mesh. It can be an STL or a OBJ file that we are going to edit on Zbrush. That's something that was quite confusing for me, but once you understand that, you will be able to edit any STL or OBJ file you can find on the web or make in any other CAD software. That's why Zbrush is the best modeling software. The second thing is I personally will never do that. The reason it will kind of deform the original shape of your jewelry and you simply cannot avoid it. And also because I simply can design everything from Zbrush primarily. So the only time I import my Rhino model on Zbrush, it's to add some additional relief or ornaments, for example on top of my base model, and then export those additional design back to Rhino. Alright guys, so here we are in Rhinoceros. We are going to export our model, and we simply going to select our model, go to the top bar right here on the file and export selected. Select that. So let's put a name for our model, and we are going to export either as an STL or OBJ file, and simply hit the save button. So make sure you select polygon mesh object and simply press OK. So for the mesh option, simply export as it is to something like that, and it's totally fine. Alright, so here we are on our Zbrush software, and the first thing we're going to do is of course import our model. On the right side of our software there is the tool menu. Click on the import 3D mesh. So select our model, click open, and then simply click and drag on your canvas and press T on your keyboard. So if you have like the thing behind or like that, just press Ctrl N to remove it. Alright, so if we click on our polyframe button on the right side, and we can see the topology of our mesh. It's like all crazy triangles right here. So it's not a sculptable topology, and if you smooth this mesh, as you can see guys, it makes some holes. It separate like those those polyframe, and we obviously going to fix that, and it's simple. That's the first step we are going to do. It's to go on the tool menu right here and go on the geometry section, and then click on the modify topology and simply click on weld points. So now when you smooth the surface, you can see like it doesn't separate them, and that's how you know you have like close all the gaps on your mesh. Alright, once we have like weld our points, the next step is to dynamesh our mesh to have a sculptable topology. So we are going to use the Z plugin, the Dynamesh utility plugin right here, and then hit Dynamesh, just like that. So if you don't have the Dynamesh utility plugin, you can simply download it from the Zbrush Central, and it's totally free. And that's it guys, you can already start sculpting on it. However, a good Zbrush user will not start to sculpt on it because we don't have like subdivision levels, and we are already sitting at a high poly points to 1.5 million poly points count, and that's just like too high. And then what I will suggest to do is to Z remesh our mesh, but before going further, I will like duplicate this mesh by simply select our mesh and then click on the duplicate button right down. So then what I will do is I will turn on our symmetry, active symmetry, on the X symmetry and Z axis like that. Go back to our geometry section and then select the zero mesh subsection right here. Click on half like that and zero mesh it. So it will take a while, especially if you have like high resolution, and my aim is to reach a polypoint counts below 5,000 points. Simply like hit the remesh a few times until you get below 5,000 points, and this is really important to go below 5,000 points, because once you are going to subdivide, you have your subdivision levels, it will not like reach a too high polypoint counts. So let me show you what I mean. So it did not give me like a good a good topology, so I'll go back first to here and then I will turn off the adapt button like that and simply do it all over again. Alright guys, so now you can see I'm actually at 4,798 polypoints, and now I can simply hit Ctrl D a few times, like to a subdivision of the level 6 or 7, and as you can see guys, I'm currently at the subdivision level 6 and I am at 4.9 million polypoint counts, which is a really perfect subdivision for me, because once if it is like too high to like 10 millions, my computer start to lag a little bit. And like I said in the beginning, it obviously like deform the shape of my jewelry, and that's why I try to avoid like doing that. So now guys, you can simply like sculpt on it and do whatever you want. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like, and guys, I'm on Instagram right now. Please follow my Instagram and help me out to grow my Instagram account. And anyway guys, see you guys in the next video.